Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing video for you guys today. And it is unboxing of Naked Spriggan. So yeah, there we go. There he is. And I might get him, I'm not sure yet. But if you're wondering why I have this right here, just in case if I want to do a little test spin. Test battle. But let's go. I've been waiting. I'm really shocked it came in today. Or I ordered it recently. So yeah. Oh jeez. Okay. Oh god. Packed it in. Jeez. It said it would have been here tomorrow. Yeah. Let's get this, and I don't have my other knife, so I'm using my little box cutter. My tool. Wow. I'm using this for work. There we go, and that's yeah, there it is, okay. Okay, let's get on, and that's the main guy. Okay, let's open the driver. Actually, let's do the layer, Might as well. Okay, there we go. Oh god. Wow, this thing is taped pretty good. Jeez. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh jeez. This thing's a pain. There we go. Oh my goodness! Yes, I wasn't expecting this, but yes! Oh my goodness! Yes! Finally! It's here! Yes! I was gonna say! Yeah, oh god. Yes! It's the gold one! I didn't order the gold one! Yes! Oh my goodness! Yes! Oh god, yes! There he is! I didn't order this one at all. I ordered the blue one. Instead, I got this. Yes! Okay, that starts a good day for me. Because I worked today and I'm half asleep. But that really... Oh god, yes. Hit the like button for this guy. Oh god, yes. Okay, let's get this. Oh god, I'm shaking. I'm legit shaking about this. Okay, there's this one. So, okay, there we go. Okay, that gold Spriggan, Naked Spriggan. Oh jeez, I'm getting goosebumps from that. Oh god. Okay, and here's the driver. So yeah. But look at that. Let me put on the take a picture of this with the stickers on, off, then on. And stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, guys. I decided not to put stickers on this beauty. Don't want to ruin it. But yeah, you'll be seeing this guy in the battle, but not as much as I will want to. But oh god, I'm so excited about this. But good parts too. But I really wasn't expecting this at all. And let me show you the seller I bought this from. Because I literally ordered the blue one. The original color. But yeah. Got this beauty. Instead. This is the one I got. And let me show you this. See? This is what it says for the description. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.